Hey there, welcome to or welcome back to No Pants Profits, and today number 7 of our Letting AI Invest $1,000 a day. And I'm on my mobile setup, which strangely is actually somewhat better than my studio setup. I'm in Tampa, Florida, about to get on a cruise tomorrow. You can guess whatever cruise that might be. You'll see stuff coming out. But this is the 29th of July, 2025. I'm drinking some Unholy Trippel, American Trippel from Coppertail, which is a brewery I actually went to earlier today. It's a 9.2% triple. Let's talk about the results of Nucor yesterday. Oof, 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 oof. That was rough. Let me show you. Nucor, we bought it a lot higher than this. Down, 4% last week. If we look at the last day, we can't really look at the last week, but we had not good results on Nucor. NUE, you'll see we bought in for $892.45. So NUE. Someone gave me a recommendation on this. I will, when I get on a computer, when I sit down tomorrow, I will do a bit more of the total return and stuff like that. But yeah, we got stopped out on this one. $892.45. So we'll go 892.45. And the sale amount was $877.02. Earnings were not until after hours. Slight miss. And it kind of caused a bit of a tailspin. Let's just copy this. Hold on. No. Oh, God. Wow, it's done weird things there. Okay. No. Yeah. And it lost $17. Okay. Let's copy those. Welcome to Where's Copy on a Phone. Copy. Then we get out of here and we go paste. So we're down $47.23. I did do a little chasing on Nubank, but that is on my own. We hit our exit price. I'm trying to Nucor, sorry. Nucor, I did a little chasing. I bought an additional share. This is just me trying to make money back. But we're talking about the actual experiment. We had a limit buy. We had a limit sell on the stop loss. That's what we set up yesterday. That's what we're going to go with. They came in slightly below the estimated earnings per share. That's what happened. It fell during the day, and then after hours, it took a damn nosedive. Not good. Not happy. But again, we're still managing our risk appropriately. And remember what happened with Tesla. I went and made that money back the next day, but not part of this experiment, if that makes sense. So let's go ahead and let's go to our friend, Mr. Gemini, Mr. Grok, for our next day here. Help me invest $1,000 high risk in the U.S. stock. Single symbol based on news in and out on the same day. What stock do you recommend? Like I said, we're going to be on a cruise starting tomorrow out of the port of Tampa. But I'm surely to bring you more information. Let's go ahead. That's a chameleon. I'm not going to give any hints on that, but there's a chameleon in there. Okay. CNC. Okay. Ooh. I like it. Strong selling pressure. Healthcare stocks can sometimes rebound intraday if the market perceives a sell-off as an overreaction. Oh no, I know the tech stocks. Alternative considerations. Decker Outdoors. That we need something like Decker Outdoors, and that makes us all back. Let's see what CNC. Centilline. Let's go. CNC, baby. Centene. Oh, still well overnight. Had a nasty fall. And it's recovered a lot from that fall. So I don't know if I really trust it. But it did have a nasty fall. You know, if you could have gotten into that $22. Damn, that was a good price. Thank you for not recommending that to me yesterday. Recommend some more. But now we have it not giving us our risk disclaimers or anything like that, which is exactly what we want here. Deckers. No, Deckers is up. Yes, but Deckers is up. Continued strength, breaking above the previous day high. Consider a long-term position, a long position to ride momentum. Norfolk Southern, NSC. Speculation about a potential merger. Ooh. 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 Gained. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah. I'm not even sure what they do. DECK, or not DECK. NSC. Give me NSC. Not MSC. Okay. Yep, and it remembers. That's what's cool. Earnings before market open on today. Okay. 50% chance of positive, 50% chance of negative. Okay. The positive side's more than the negative side. Look, I'm not going to lie. We're getting near the end of this six-pack. Got a pregame for a cruise. This whole box of 6 of like a 9.2% beer. I forget where the camera is. 9.2% beer. It's like $12 for a 6-pack. You're not going to do much better than that, baby. Okay. I like it. Post-earnings trade. Stop loss. Okay. Let's make sure it's got these current pricings right. NSC. And then we'll buy $1,000. Let's see. NSC. Norfolk Southern. The hell do they... Oh, that's an expensive stock. Transportation company. Rail transportation. Available today pre-market. Okay. Let's see how many shares we can buy. No. 4. Whoa, no, not 54. No, buy. 4. Trade, buy. 3. All right. Looks like we're going to buy 3 shares. And we'll buy a limit order. Can I buy them outside of market hours? Buy. I cannot. I might need another stock. Someone I can buy outside of market hours. Because that is a earnings play. Could have gotten it earlier. What's another recommendation here? I really liked the momentum already on that wood company. Let's see. CNC. We didn't like. Decker Outdoors. DECK. This is going to be a longer one because we got pretty wrecked the last few days. Let's go DECK. Decker Outdoors. Okay, it's up a little bit overnight. 7% in the past week. Pulled back a little bit. Yeah, I like it. Do the... with deck. It knows my strategies. Okay. DECK. I don't know if we're going to be able to buy this one pre-market either. Might have to go with Intel. No, we can trade now on deck. All right. So let's see. Deck, $113 would be like 8 shares. Yeah. That would be a buy. 8 shares. I'm just talking to myself. Kirsten waving hi. No, I'm just talking to myself. Don't worry. I talk to myself on video all the time. It's fine. Limit order. Trade now. We want 1392. Ooh, you see, this is how we evaluate these things. This is like, it's too high of a spread there. So we're gonna have to go back. Let's do it with Intel. It's almost like you need a 9% beer. When the spread's too high, can't trade after hours, you know. Everything's happened. I don't love Intel myself. Everyone's moving off their processors. But Intel announcements. Okay, volatility. All right. July. All right. Update to current pricing. It seems to have old pricing in. Let's update to current pricing. Okay. Perfect. Earnings catalyst. I'm willing to trade Intel. Why not? All right. 48 shares. Yeah. 998,264. Let's see if that's right. These are just too hard of a spread. Intel. And yes, there's an Apple Watch charger around my neck if you couldn't tell. Buy 48 shares. Yeah. Yeah, that's about right. Put a limit order in. We're going to make sure there's not too wide of a margin there. Yeah, no, we have a 3-cent margin. You see the difference is having a 3-cent margin is a lot better in these overnight trades. Yes, the market's not even open right now. You're just, I think, trading against people that are on Robinhood. 20.73. 48 shares. So we bought for 20.73. And I'll tell ChatGPT to recalculate. Or 20.73. Please calculate. See where we're at. Okay. And let's go look at our exits. And I'll be done here in just a minute. Night, Kirsten. You looking for something? No? Yeah. Yes, Kirsten's in the Tampa area, so not really Tampa, but Tampa area. So it's easier to get on Tampa cruise this way. She stays down with me if we got a Miami cruise, and I'll stay with her if there's a Tampa cruise the night before. Let's see. Oh my. Risk re-entry. Oh my. Stop loss. Okay. So 2% below. So 2031 is going to be our stop loss. We own it right now. I don't think there's going to be too much volatility. So we're going to sell at a limit order of, wait, hold on. Sell. Oh, wait, we can do that now. Okay. Sell Intel at a limit order of, we have 45 shares. 2031. That's fine. That protects us. 2% drop. I'll take it. We're set up with Intel. Why? The key word is momentum. Momentum. Intel fails to sustain momentum above that price due to bearish sentiment, e.g. tariff concerns, foundry changes, the fact that Apple has taken all their chips from Intel to their own silicon and their phones and in their computers and in everything. And so has Samsung, and so has all the, I mean, yeah. So profit target would be at 21 to 21.29 near the July 28th high. Consider selling for a 1 to 3% gain. It's okay. So we got our stuff set up for tomorrow. Again, you'll see Intel. We're going to be exiting at 2072 in a worst case scenario. And we entered at 2070. Wait. Entered at 2073. And we'll be exiting at too much beers. Limit sell. Really? What the hell just happened? Guys, don't drink beer like me. We didn't do a stop loss. We did a limit sell. Wow. This is why you shouldn't trade at this time of night, guys. Especially on the 9.2% beer, which now costs me quite a bit more. Some of you were watching along and going, this guy's an idiot. Yes, I agree. I didn't set a stop loss. I set a limit sell. Oh, ye is not very smart. Ye is not very smart. I'm going to put it in the chart. 995, 932. This is not good. I'm gonna still air this because this is why you shouldn't do this time of night. What do we get? No, wow, that was dumb. 995.03 was my investment amount. Wow, don't do this ever again. That'll show you how strong this beer is. 995. I've been home for hours, or I've been at a stopping place for hours. 995.03. Oh, good God. 932.40. I did that all myself. I'm going to re-enter. I don't want to talk about that. I'm not a smart man. Yeah, now we're at $100 loss. Oh, why are we green? I don't know. We should be goddamn red. Yeah, it's negative now. Because what did I do? I set a sell. All right, let's fix this so we know what we did. 48 shares. No, God. No. Buy 48 shares. Yeah. So we're going to buy 48 shares. Trade now. 20.73. Okay. Welcome to losing $100. I bought at 2073. I think it holds the same thing. 2073. And we're going to stop loss at 2031. Not a sell. A stop loss. This is all on me. Sell. Shares. Stop order. 2031. Perfect. 51 shares. Matt says what? We didn't do as bad as we thought we did. 48, 40. Oh, I only sold 45 shares. God damn it. But we're not really caring about shares. We're caring about dollars. And whatever happens right here, happens right here. So 995.04. We bought and we sold less shares. That's fine. We're going to liquidate out of Intel before the end of the day tomorrow. Don't do what I just did. It's stupid. Who do I blame for this? This company. Don't drink and stock. I only do this because I'm not going to be up at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning to make a video for you. So 995.04. Ugh. Okay, investment amount. We got a stop loss in place. We always want to make sure we have stop loss in place. Wow. Yeah, we're good. Is replace stop order. Okay, 2031. How many shares? 51 shares available. Okay, we're good. Oof. That's a mistake. This is why you don't have 9.2% beers and make stock trades, because then you turn stop losses into after-hour sells. Someone got those shares a little bit cheaper than they should have. Sorry. It's entertainment. Entertainment. Don't worry, I got a lot of capital gains to write off against these losses, and I've done very well on my video on the alchemy bar today. But this is Richard from No Pants Profit saying, don't do this. And trade more sober. And then when you run out of pants, the only thing you have left to lose is your red turtle shirt. We had orange on yesterday, now we got red. Have a great one, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 8. I think 7, 8. And hopefully we're not going to be as drunk, but we're on a cruise, so bottoms up. See you mañana. Bye.